Yes, narcissists enjoy inflicting pain on people that they deem as superior to them, right? So if you are very beautiful, if you're a guy, if you're very handsome, if you have a lot going for yourself, the narcissists, first of all, they already know that you're out of their league, right? So 10 times out of 10, they had to put on to even get with you, right? They had to pretend to be somebody that they're not, just to even get in close quarters with you, right? Because if they would have showed up as the bomb loser that they are, they would have never even had an opportunity with you. So from day one, the narcissist is upset that they even have to put on this act, right? So there's resentment from day one that they even have to put on to even score you, right? So you all, you can find yourself in different scenarios, but the thing you need to understand that all of it is intentional, and everything that the narcissist does to you is intentional and is to cause you pain. Now think about it, y'all really think if you are in a committed relationship with someone for any substantial amount of time, you really think that the narcissist doesn't know that entertaining somebody behind your back is wrong? You don't think they know that, entertaining or hanging out with an ex is wrong? They know it's wrong, you all. They know that if you find out that you'll be crushed, that it will crush your heart. Y'all, they know this. These people are sick. They like to cause you pain. They want to inflict pain on you. So what better way to do it? And then here's a twist, you all. In a lot of cases, because this happened to me. When you uncover that the person is cheating, they block you out of their life. They block you out of their life, or they go no contact with you, but they keep the ex in their life, right? That's done on purpose also to further inflict more pain on you, right? Plus, they need this ex. They're going to have to use them later down the line. They're going to have to keep recycling them. See, you can't be fooled. This is why I always tell y'all, don't compare yourself with these raggedy people that they choose to wallow around with. Those people aren't smart. These are the same people that they were with, that they went on to entertain other people and came back to these folks. Y'all, these folks they're not rap tight. You, on the other hand, you are the one that has a good sense and a brain, and you know how to use it, and you realize what was happening and you got out of the way. Who do you think they're going to remember? You or the person that they're using over and over and over again? The backup supply. They're going to remember you because you were the standard. You were the prototype. You cannot be matched. I don't care how hard they try. So I'm going to say this in closing. The pain you endured, yes, it was purposeful. They did it on purpose. But I'm going to tell you this. Listen, and I'm not telling you what I heard. I'm telling you what I know. Every person that has hurt me purposely has lived to regret it. They may not regret it right now, but the person that hurt you, they are going to regret it. And they are going to have great sorrow behind what they did to you. See, sometimes you have to do it like the old people used to say. You just got to let it all out. Let it, wait it all out. Let it play all the way out. It's going to come back full circle, you all. And see, when that happens, you're going to be off living your life, excelling. The narcissist is still going to be repeating the same cycles. So even though they left you in a distraught place, y'all, these folks don't win at the end of the day. They don't win. They might think they have the upper hand because they left you in a place, a debilitating place of sorrow and hurt, but that's not the end of your story. You're going to learn from your relationship. You're going to move on and do better. They are just going to repeat and repeat and repeat. And I'm going to say this, and that's part of their karma. It's having to go through those same cycles. Do you know how exhausting that must be?